bicep is the symbol of strength. Using body weight is the most effective technique to gain bicep size. Wide grip will hit your inner bicep. Keep a constant rhythm in repetition. Pull yourself as much as possible for better contraction. Wide grip helps in gaining size as well as works great on long head biceps. Do not use this technique if you are overweight or beginner. Even 7 to 8 reps would be enough to stress bicep in this exercise. This close grip will help making peak long short head bicep. It's easier to lift your body weight in close grip. Try to cover wide grip exercise first, as it needs more energy and exertion. Subscribe and like for more videos.